As a mother, I want to do everything I can do to keep my family safe. And Pulse keeps my family safer. You can't tell it's there until you put your brake lights on. And at that point, when the driver brakes the car, it causes the brake light to pulse 4 times.
37% of all accidents are rear-end collisions, and 28% of those are deemed to be total loss by the insurance adjuster. So rear-end collisions are a big problem.
I think I'm a very good driver. Of course, we all think we're very good drivers, but it's really the folks behind me that I'm worried about. It's just so important to be able to add these, inexpensive, really it's very inexpensive safety devices to your vehicle.
It's something so simple that can prevent so much. For me, it makes sense to be on every vehicle on the road.
You're starting to see products like Pulse in every aspect of your life. So whether it's a city bus that has a strobe on the back of it that goes off when they stop, or whether it's a public utility company like the gas company or the water company, for approximately $3 a month, you can have the same protection as the pros.
Anytime I can use something that the professionals use, I want to use it. It's so important that I'm able to install the best technology in my vehicle. I drive my friends and family around all the time, and there's no one more precious than really our family and friends.
It really does make a difference in people's lives. It really does help save lives. It really does help prevent injury. It's not just about the statistic. These are people.